See this question number 2. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have seen that limit, exponential limit, which is limit of e to the power x minus 1 divided by x as x goes to 0. This goes to 1. It's a standard limit. If you directly substitute, you will get 0 by 0 only, but the standard, it's a proof is there. But right now we don't need to go through the proof and all those things. Just understand that this is known as a exponential. It is known as exponential limit. Exponential limit. Exponential limit. Okay. So here in this question, it is e to the power x plus 2, e to the power x plus 2 minus e to the power 2 divided by x. So it is not in our standard form. So you can see that e to the power x plus 2 is e to the power x into e to the power 2. So it is e to the power x plus 2 minus e to the power 2 divided by x. So you can take that e to the power 2 common from numerator. So if you take 2 common, then it is e to the power x minus 1 the whole divided by x. So that is what here. Then this e to the power 2 is constant. You can take it outside. So that is e to the power 2 constant outside. Baki, it is exponential limit. Limit of e to the power x minus 1 divided by x, that is equal to 1. So the answer is e to the power 2. Clear? आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at the next question. So some kind of arrangements also sometimes we have to make. See here, e to the power 5, e to the power x minus e to the power 5 divided by x minus 5 as x goes to 5. सब डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे तो आपको e to the power 5 डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन दे देंगे तो आपको ऐसे मिलेगा e to the power 5 minus e to the power 5 divided by x minus 5. So you will get 0 by 0 only. And direct, this is our exponential limit. Direct apply करने के लिए भी अभी कुछ नहीं है direct. So we have to make some arrangements. As I told you, if you want to find right hand limit or left hand limit, so what you can do is, so either the function is same everywhere, not only like it is not like when x is less than one function, a particular function. I say कुछ नहीं है direct. Everywhere the function is same. So either you can find left hand limit or right hand limit. So technique मैंने बताया था आपको कल. एक टेक्निक है, आइदर आप ये x को क्या कर देना, ये प्लस h दे देना, then h goes to 0. This is the technique for finding right hand limit. Or if you just give x is equal to a minus h, because your question is x approaches to a, so a minus h दे देना, then h goes to 0 दे देना. This is technique to find left hand limit. Please इतना याद रख देना, बाकी उसके पीछे का theory वगैरह भूल जाओ, कोई issue नहीं. So I'm going to find, I'm going to substitute x is equal to this one. कोई भी आप substitute कर सकते हैं. I'm going to do this one. So what I will do, so limit, this will become x goes to 5, it will become h goes to 0. Then मैंने क्या किया, e to the power x के जगह a plus h, so 5 plus h minus e to the power 5 constant वैसे ही divided by x के जगह 5 plus h minus 5. So this is limit h goes to 0. So ऊपर आप देख सकते हैं, it is, you can write it as e to the power 5 into e to the power h minus e to the power 5 divided by 5 minus 5 cancel हो जाएगा h. So e to the power 5 इधर ऊपर से आप, that is limit h goes to 0, e to the power 5 कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. So बाकी e to the power h minus 1 divided by h. So which is e to the power 5 constant है, that you can take outside. बाकी e to the power h minus 1 the whole divided by h as h goes to 0, that is standard exponential limit, its value is 1. So your answer will be e to the power 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll move to the next question. अभी देखो e to the power sin x minus x divided by x, सो क्या टेक्निक उन्होंने यूज किया देखो, हमें जो इधर तो एक x डिनोमिनेटर में है, सो हमें क्या चाहिए था, साइन एक्स बाई एक्स चाहिए, इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे ऊपर नीचे, सो e टू द पावर साइन एक्स द होल माइनस वन डिवाइडेड बाई एक्स, हम साइन एक्स बाई साइन एक्स, अभी क्या करेंगे ये दोनों ज्वाइन करेंगे, so ये तो साइन एक्स बाई एक्स हो जाएगा, बाकी सो उसका लिमिट तो वो तो साइन एक्स बाई एक्स हो जाएगा, बाकी क्या हो गया e टू द पावर साइन एक्स माइनस वन बाई साइन एक्स। नाउ सो अभी सब्स्टिट्यूशन का कोई जरूरत नहीं, सो दिस इज you can see that product of two functions, so their limit is product of their limit, so it is e to the power sin x minus 1 divided by sin x as x goes to 0 into limit sin x by x as x goes to 0, and this we know this is standard limit, this is equal to 1। इधर आप देख सकते हैं when x is going to 0, if as x is going to 0, sin x will also goes to 0, because sin 0 is 0, we know that। so इधर आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि sin x goes to 0, there is nothing wrong in that, because as x goes to 0 sin x also will goes to 0, you can write sin x goes to 0। अभी आप देखो दिस इज लिमिट ऑफ, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक लिमिट का जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म याद रख देना, देखो e टू द पावर समथिंग माइनस वन divided by that same thing, e to the power में जा वो same thing, and limit whatever that power of e that goes to 0, that is a format। so इधर देखो e to the power sin x minus 1, जो e to the power में जो था वो डिनोमिनेटर में sin x, and जो e to the power में था वो डिनोमिनेटर में that is going to 0, so this is of that exponential limit form and its value is 1, correct? Did you understand? Because e to the power, इधर देखो e to the power h, whatever e to the power में आएगा that is in the denominator and that is going to 0, that is a format। so either e to the power sin x divided by sin x, and that sin x is going to 0, then this expression will goes to 1 as per exponential limit, so it is 1 into 1, it will goes to, ठीक है, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सो जस्ट डायरेक्ट टेक्निक ओनली, एंड हियर आल्सो ये देखो अभी हमने पहले किया था ये वाला, जस्ट बिफोर हमने किया था ना, ये क्या दिया था x के, हम ये टेक्निक x को 3 प्लस h दे दिया, h गोस टू 0 दे दिया, सेम क्वेश्चन वी डिड अबव, ओनली थिंग इज at that time it was e to the power 5 minus e to the power x minus e to the power 5 था, same question है, and x minus 5 था, so either x goes to 5, the same question we did, so I don't want to repeat the same question again। look at this question number 6, e to the power x into e to the power x minus 1 divided by 1 minus cos x, so क्या क्या टेक्निक यूज किया देखो, वन माइनस, एक तो इसका कॉन्जुगेट 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स का कॉन्जुगेट, डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे तो आपको 0 इंटू e टू द पावर 0 1 माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 माइनस cos 0 इज 1, आपको 0 बाई 0 ही मिलेगा, डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं करेगा काम। देन क्या किया, इधर एक x से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसलिए कि e टू द पावर x माइनस 1 इधर है, इसलिए हमें डिनोमिनेटर में एक x चाहिए एक्सपोनेंशियल लिमिट अप्लाई करने के लिए, जैसे e टू द पावर x माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई x as x goes to 0, this is equal to 1, we know that, so for applying that we needed x in the denominator, so ऐसे x डिनोमिनेटर में लिखा, ऐसे डिनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे तो वो एक्स्ट्रा x हो गया, वो कैंसिल करने के लिए न्यूमरेटर में भी लिखा है, ठीक है। देन सो देन इसका 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स का कॉन्जुगेट, सो क्योंकि हमारे सो 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स कॉन्जुगेट द 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स, उसका कॉन्जुगेट मतलब जस्ट साइन चेंज किया, ऊपर नीचे वो भी मल्टीप्लाई किया। अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में देखेंगे तो दिस ई टू द पावर एक्स माइनस वन दिस एक्स वो कंबाइन करके लिखा। देन एक 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स वैसे ही लिखा 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स। देन इधर x into x square that x square and नीचे a plus b into a minus b 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x 1 minus cos square x। ओके एंड 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स का वैल्यू, क्योंकि ये इसलिए मल्टीप्लाई किया है कि 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स करेंगे तो हमें साइन स्क्वायर एक्स मिलेगा, सो साइन एक्स बाई एक्स फॉर्म में आएगा, दैट्स वाई। So first, so it is a product of three functions, limit of the first function into limit of the second function to limit of the third function। ये तो first one is standard limit हो गया, it is 1। second one direct substitution दे दो, direct substitution दे देंगे तो 1 plus cos 0 is 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 divided by 1 that is 2, that is why it is 1 into 2 into अभी ये this is limit x tends to 0 x square by साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, so इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं लिमिट x goes to 0 x by sin x into x by sin x, है ना, and that is limit x by sin x into limit x by sin x। sin x by x का भी लिमिट, sin x by x का लिमिट भी 1 है, x by sin x का भी लिमिट 1 है, as x goes to 0, so its value is 1 into 1 1, that is why into 1, so 1 into 2 into 1 you got the answer as 2। clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this kind of technique याद रख देना, कुछ नहीं, हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक
Yes.
लिमिट एक्सपोनेंशियल लिमिट ही यूज किया है। just one second, hold on, just go through the question, just hold on। now we'll go to the next question, but before going to that you should know the logarithmic definition, then only you can do that। before that let me check whether it is in your syllabus or not। बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्निक्स हमने देखा। now one more limit I just want to tell you which is known as logarithmic limit। I just want to let you know that logarithmic limit, but do you know what is logarithmic function? Before that you should know what is logarithmic function ना, basic idea तो होना चाहिए।
Yes, sir.
like देखो, it's logarithmic function, exponential function, they are actually reverses of each other। for example जैसे a to the power x is equal to y, for example 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, okay, so this is exponential function, right? This is exponential, very simple way I will tell you just for your understanding। so now then the definition is log, then we can say logarithm of y to the base a is equal to x, that is known as logarithmic function। It is read as logarithm of y, logarithm of function y with base a, that is important, base is important, base a is x, got it? so this is logarithmic function here। yeah, these both are actually reverses of each other, so you can see that, see 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, so I can say logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3। 2 to the power 4 is 16, so I can say logarithm of 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4। Similar, 4 to the power 2 is 16, see that implies logarithm of 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2। देखो 16 को अलग अलग लॉगरिथम का वैल्यू आ रहा है, 16 का लॉगरिथम 4 भी आ रहा है, 2 भी आ रहा है, बट दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द बेस. When you take 2 as the base, logarithm of 16 is 4. When you take 4 as the base, logarithm of 16 is 2. And आपको पता है जैसे 4 to the power 1 by 2. 4 to the power 1 by 2 मतलब square root of which is equal to 2. So you can say logarithm of 2 to the base 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Or 8 to the power 1 by 3, that means cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So you can say logarithm of 2 to the base 8 is equal to 1 by 3. Understood? आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now here you can see, so कोई भी बेस रख के हम logarithm निकालते हैं क्या? That is the one thing. One question like, see, so normally a to the any number, a is any number, let a be any number. I'm just telling you only basic things. So let a be any number. So a to the power 0 क्या होगा? 1, right? So इसमें से आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? Logarithm of 1 with any number as base is equal to 0. Got it? इसका मतलब
Yes, sir.
logarithm of 1 with
Is 0 with respect to
any
any.
number as base, whatever the number is base, any number as base is 0. ठीक है? So logarithm of 1 is always 0. Now a to the power x is equal to y, comma a is positive. हमारे definition में a positive है. Okay, base is positive. So this is the definition of exponential function. So what can you say about y? A is a positive number, x be any number. So y, what can you say about y? Y is positive, 0 or negative?
Positive, sir. Why should be positive?
Y, क्योंकि a is a positive number. A is a positive number, right? Okay, a is a positive
Yes, sir.
number. A is a positive number. So any positive, जैसे for example 2 to the power, जैसे आप 2 दे दो पॉजिटिव, 2 to the power 1 by 2 दे दो पॉजिटिव, और 2 to the power -4 दे दो. 2 to the power -4 मतलब 1 upon 2 to the power 4 है. So a is positive, a is positive. So a is positive, so this y is always positive. Okay, इसका मतलब logarithm exist only for positive real numbers. Okay, that is another important concept. Logarithm exists only for positive real numbers. Logarithm exists only for positive real numbers. Got it? So one important thing I told you, logarithm of 1 with any number as base is 0. Another one is logarithm exists only for positive real numbers. Logarithm exists only for positive. That means there is no logarithm for negative numbers. Negative numbers के लिए logarithm नहीं है. Okay. Now सो बट बेसिकली देखो, सो हम कोई भी नंबर ऐसे बेस करके हम क्या करेंगे, जैसे मान लीजिए देखो 2 to the power, if I ask you, hello, are you there सभी, there, are you there all?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, जैसे if I ask you what is logarithm of 16 to the base 2, so we don't know, so we call it as let it be x. इसका मतलब है 2 to the power x क्या होना चाहिए, 16 होना चाहिए, that is the definition ना. लॉगरिथम a to the power x is equal to y है तो इसका मतलब है लॉगरिथम ऑफ y to the base a is equal to x. So 2 to the, अभी किसी ने आपको पूछा what is logarithm of 16 to the base 2, so we don't know, okay, we call it as let it be x. So 2 so इसका मतलब 2 to the power x कितना होना चाहिए, 16 होना चाहिए. So हमें पता है 2 to the power 4 is 16, therefore we can say x is equal to 4. So you can conclude that logarithm of 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4, correct? But if I ask you what is logarithm of 17 to the base 2, so you don't know, you started with x, let it be x, so that means 2 to the power x is equal to 17 होना चाहिए. बट हमें पता है 2 to the power 3 8 है, 2 to the power 4 16 है, and 2 to the power 5 32.
20, 32.
So there is no such number 2 to the power, there is no perfect number integer like that 2 to the power something is equal to 17, right?
Yes,
Only
sir.
thing is we can say x is between 4 and 5, उतना ही हमको पता है. बट कभी क्वेश्चन करने के लिए वो नहीं चलेगा, जैसे हमें लॉग चाहिए, मतलब लॉग का वैल्यू चाहिए, नहीं है तो 4 and 5 के बीच में होगा करके बोल के क्या फायदा, आए समझ में? सो ऐसे मैन्युअली लॉगरिथम निकालने के लिए हमारे पास कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम ऐसे है, जैसे अभी ये 16 and 32 के बीच में कोई भी नंबर बोल के उसका बेस 2 है तो आप मैन्युअली नहीं निकाल सकते, isn't it? All right, so in standard there are two base, okay, in standard case. One is base 10, another one is base e. Base 10 मतलब logarithm of any number, logarithm of x to the base 10. Another one is logarithm of x to the base e. Okay, the first one is known as base 10, that is known as common logarithm. Second one is known as natural logarithm. Now this log x base 10 है तो normally कुछ नहीं लिख सकते, log x ऐसा लिखा है तो इसका मतलब it is base is 10, is understood. जैसे हम root 49 ऐसे लिखा है तो it is understood that here it is square root 2, right? In the same way simply log x लिखा है तो उसको बोलते हैं common logarithm और base is 10. Now if base is e, it is written as ln of x, इसको बोलते हैं natural logarithm. You can see two symbols in your calculator, one is log x and one is ln of x. कोई भी calculator में ये दो symbols आपको दिखाई देगा, one is log x, another one is ln of x. इसका मतलब है logarithm with the base 10, that is common logarithm. ln of x मतलब it is known as natural logarithm, it is with the base e, and e already हमने देखा, e is the number which is nearly equal to 2.71828. Okay, it's an irrational number, it's approximate value. Okay, So this is the case. So you can use the calculator now. You can find log with the base 10. So I will come to I will come to this point. Just hold on for that some time. So there are two standard bases वर्ल्ड वाइड, पूरा दुनिया में ऐसे डिफाइन किया कि दो बेसिस कर दिए, एक तो बेस 10 के आधार पर करेंगे, नहीं तो बेस ई के आधार पर करेंगे. बेस 10 के आधार पर कर रहे उसको बोलते हैं कॉमन लॉगरिथम, बेस ई के आधार पर कर रहे इसको बोलते हैं नेचुरल लॉगरिथम. This is your log x common logarithm. Is the log x button in the calculator. Ln of x is in the button in the calculator is natural logarithm. Okay, but keep one thing. Okay, but in NCERT book, log x means logarithm with base 10. ठीक है, डोंट कंफ्यूज. इन द टेक्स्ट बुक कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, सॉरी बेस 10 नहीं, बेस ई. टेक्स्ट बुक में उन्होंने क्या किया, जैसे बेस ई है तो नॉर्मली क्या लिखना था, ln ऑफ x, राइट? isn't it? बेस ई है तो वर्ल्ड वाइड एक्सेप्टेबल सिंबल इज ln ऑफ x. बट क्या होते हैं, हम log x बोल रहे, लिख रहे ln ऑफ x, थोड़ा सा ऑड लगेगा. ठीक है, सो इसलिए उन्होंने सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी का टेक्स्ट बुक उन्होंने बोला है कि हम तो टेक्स्ट बुक में वेर एवर हमने log x लिखा उसका मतलब बेस ई ए करके बोला है. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
But don't confuse that. In real world means in the world, in the all over the world, log x मतलब with common logarithm base 10 and ln of x मतलब natural logarithm with the base e. आपके कैलकुलेटर में भी वैसे log x मतलब with base 10 and ln of x मतलब base e. But NCERT का टेक्स्ट बुक उन्होंने ऐसे बोला है कि हमें बोला है just to avoid this log x बोल के ln of x लिख रहे, so उसका जो थोड़ा सा ऑड फीलिंग आएगा, इसलिए वो अवॉइड करने के लिए जस्ट फॉर द नेम से एनसीईआरटी का टेक्स्ट बुक में उन्होंने log x लिखा, उसका मतलब बेस ई है करके उन्होंने टेक्स्ट बुक में बोला है, इसलिए. गॉट इट? बट यूनिवर्सली इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट, बट जस्ट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एकेडमिक ईयर व्हेनेवर इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक log x आया, उसका मतलब समझ लेना इट इज विद द बेस ई. क्लियर? You don't need to get confused. That's why I'm just clearly saying this. But in real world, log x matlab base 10, ln of x matlab log base e. But in NCERT textbook, whenever they use log x, it means base e. Is it okay? Okay, shall we move? I want to tell you 2 more points. अभी देखो,
Yes, sir.
yeah, अभी देखो 2 to the power x is equal to 17. So I need logarithm of 17 with base 2 here, logarithm of 17 with the base 2. But ये तो मैन्युअली नहीं कर सकते हैं. दूसरे है कि कैलकुलेटर यूज करने के लिए कैलकुलेटर में ऐसे बेस 2 वाला कोई बटन नहीं है. कैलकुलेटर में ओनली 2 बटन्स, वन इज बेस 10 वाला, वन इज बेस ई वाला. सो क्या करेंगे, there is one important formula which is known as change of base formula. This is very important. We can change the base. Like if you want to find logarithm of y with respect to a, okay, and if you want to change the base to b, so it is formula like this. It is logarithm of y to the base b divided by logarithm of old base. Old base is a with respect to new base. So this is the formula. This is very important formula. Change of base. Logarithm of, if you want to change the base to a, to either you can see the base is a, here the base is a. If you want to change the base to b, symbol, it is logarithm of y to the base b divided by logarithm of the old base. What was the old base? Uska logarithm with respect to the new base. Got it? So coming back to this, so I can इधर हमें चाहिए logarithm of 17 with the base 2 चाहिए था. अभी आप क्या कर सकते हैं, बेस चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो हमारे पास कैलकुलेटर में दो बेस है, एक बेस 10 का भी है, बेस ई का भी है. आप कोई भी बेस यूज कर सकते. अभी 10 पे करेंगे तो क्या होगा, लॉगरिथम ऑफ 17 to the base 10, then logarithm of old base, that is 2 with the new base. Simply calculator में टाइप करते हैं log 17, सिंगल कैलकुलेटर में सिंपली टाइप करते हैं log 17 divided by log 2, you will get the answer. Got it? आए समझ में? So I told you what is logarithm, what is base. Logarithm of 1 is 0 for any real number. Logarithm exists only for positive numbers. Then change of base formula, and there is some other formulas also like properties. Basic information only. One is, if you want to find logarithm of a product, whatever the base, no problem. Logarithm of a product is the sum of their logarithms, log m plus log n. This is very important. Logarithm of a product is the sum of their log. It is not logarithm of a product is, कभी कभी बच्चे logarithm of a product is not product of the logarithm. Logarithm of a product is sum of their logarithms. Logarithm of a quotient m by n, it is difference of their logarithms. And logarithm of a power m to the power p, it is power into logarithm of base m. These are very, very, very important properties of logarithm. Logarithm of a product is the sum of their logarithms. Logarithm of a quotient is the quotient of their logarithms. Sorry, difference of their logarithms. Logarithm of a power is the power into logarithm of the base. कभी कभी बच्चे का मिस्टेक क्या होते हैं, कभी ऐसे आ गया log m plus log n. बच्चे कभी गलती से क्या लिखते हैं, log m plus n लिखते हैं. This is wrong. ऐसे कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं, लॉगरिथम ऑफ सम, बट दिस इज सही में क्या है, इट इज log m into
M
n.
into
That is correct. Okay, clear? And कभी कभी
yes sir.
so that you should be careful. Then log m minus log n आया तो कभी ऐसे टेंडेंसी रहते हैं बच्चे क्या लिखते हैं, log कॉमन निकाल के m minus n लिखते हैं, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग. इट इज सही में इट इज log m upon n. Okay, this is correct. Logarithm of a power मतलब it is like this. Suppose आपको logarithm of x to the power 5 करना है, so this is 5 into logarithm of x, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So these are some basic properties of logarithm. So ज़्यादा theory में हम नहीं गए, so some basic concept बताए what is logarithm. This logarithm and exponential, they are inverses of each other, एक दूसरे का reverse है. Then some basic logarithm of 1 is always 0. Logarithm exists only for positive real numbers. And some properties of logarithm, change of base formula, what is common logarithm, what is natural logarithm. So basic things we have discussed. So tomorrow we can finish this and then we will go to the next chapter. Not chapter, but derivatives. I'm
Yes
going
sir.
very slow only because this chapter is very, very important. That's why I'm going very slow in this chapter, because this is your base for next year. Okay. See you then
Yes
in
sir.
tomorrow's class then.
Thank you